What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm finally back with another makeup tutorial slash get ready with me slash review. So I'm starting off by doing my hair, detangling it. I did spray some leave-in conditioner in here, but of course I didn't get that on camera. But now I'm going to add some more leave-in conditioner after detangling my hair. You gotta keep your hair moisturized, and I noticed that really helps. Just, not only to keep my hair moisturized, but, it makes the detangling process just easier. Y'all see my curl pattern? I don't know if y'all saw that, but yeah. So yeah, I'm going through and just brushing it again, detangling it more, and I'm using some more, I haven't even started. I'm using some Eco Styling Gel just to slick my hair down. My hair is 100% natural, so it never lays down fully like I want it to, but, you see how thick my hair is, y'all? My hair has come such a long way. I need to do a natural hair update. I haven't done one of those in years. If you want to see that, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, I'm just slicking it back into a ponytail, and this is some more leave-in conditioner that I ended up spraying on top of gel. Why I did that, I don't know. I do that a lot, and the results are pretty decent. You would think that my hair would sprout up more, but now I'm using more gel, and I'm going in with this two-sided brush. I'm using the harder side just to slick it down more, because like right at the front, like near my edges, it just never wants to lay down. I guess because my hair is 100% natural, but And now I'm going through and kind of giving myself some edges, or slicking my edges. And yeah. And then after this, I think I'm going to tie it down and then get started with my makeup. But as far as the review, I'm going to be reviewing the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer, which I didn't even know they had that. I'm used to them just having the regular foundation. But I saw this when I went to Walmart maybe like a month ago, and I was like, maybe this will be like, I don't know, a little lighter. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation in general is already light. Like, when I say light, I mean it's not like heavy on my face. So I was like, okay, maybe I won't even feel this. Y'all are gonna see. That's all I'm gonna say. But to start off my makeup, I started off with some Vaseline just to get my lips nice and moisturized, because they were pretty dry. And now I'm going in and filling in my brows. I'm using the e.l.f. brow stick. I love that for my brows. I don't really use anything else. I've been using that for years too. And now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild concealer. I think it's the Photo Focus concealer. And I'm just going through and using that to shape up my brows. And then I'm using this eye putty from e.l.f. And I'm just using that to prime my eyes and get it ready for this eyeshadow. And I'm using this as a sunlight or midnight and dusk palette. I don't know what it's called. But I'm using kind of like a light dusty brown in my crease. This is a really simple eyeshadow look. I think I used 3 eyeshadows. I was just really trying to try out the tinted moisturizer more than anything. Then I'm going in with kind of like a darker brown slash purple. It's more of a darker brown color. And I'm focusing that on the outer corners of my eyes. And I'm using this fluffy brush from, I think that's a Sigma brush. And yeah, it's very pigmented, Jasmine. I didn't even have to wet my brush. That's how pigmented this stuff is. So I'm using kind of like this golden shimmer color as the main color, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. It's a very simple look. 3 shadows, Like I said, the main focus was me trying out this tinted moisturizer. Then I'm going back in with that darker brown and just deepen it. Y'all, I was watching YouTube. Shout out to Berleezy, because that I think that's who I was looking at while I was doing this. But yeah, and then I'm going in with this doll face 2-sided liner. The liquid liner side was dried out. So I had to use the other one, and it was kind of tugging on my eye, and I wasn't feeling that. But you know, you got to do what you got to do. And then I'm using this mascara also from Dollface. I believe I did not put on any false lashes. This was a very just simple and dang, Jazz, is it funny? I was just using I just wanted a natural look, you know? But no falsies. Yeah. Then I'm going through and priming the face, getting my face ready for this tinted moisturizer. I'm using the Babyface moisturizer, and I didn't like how that felt on my face, so I went in with this First Aid. I believe this is also a primer, and I mixed that on there because the Babyface one just, it felt like straight up silicone, child. And I was not feeling that, so I had to balance that out. But now I'm going through with the tinted moisturizer. This is in the shade Coconut. It's the same shade that I use for the regular Fit Me foundation. And I decided to use a brush because that's what I usually use to apply my foundation whenever I do wear foundation. And y'all, when I tell y'all I was not feeling this, if you look at my face, especially like on my cheek area, you can see how like caked up it is. Yeah. You can see how like caked, yeah. My face says it all. I was not feeling it like at all. If anything, I should have tried it out with maybe a beauty blender, and maybe it wouldn't have been like so caked up, because a beauty blender will blend it out more and it won't give you like as much product. But with a brush, it usually gives you like more product, if that makes sense. But yeah, I was not feeling how caked up that was. I added some concealer under my eyes with the Pro Concealer just to try to balance it out a little bit. And then I'm using this Revolution powder for under my eyes. And then as far as bronzer, this bronzer is from Morphe, which RIP to Morphe, you know. That's all I'm going to say about that. Then I'm using this blush from e.l.f. If you can tell, I love e.l.f. cosmetics. They're affordable and they got some good stuff. Now, I used to not really be into blush because I was like, I'm a black girl. What sense does it make to wear blush? But, you know, black people can wear blush too, okay? Then I'm going through with this highlighter. And, yeah, I'm just highlighting my face. I did, like, right here, I added too much and I did not blend it. And you can see that cast, and I hate it. But I didn't leave the house, so it's fine. But, you know. Then I sprayed my face with some 2 different setting sprays just to try to get that to period. Those edges are laid. But thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.